Well, basically, hip hop back in the days, it was all about the labels. It was all about distribution. It was all about being on a certain machine. Right now, the whole game is like independent. You can run your whole label and everything straight from your house. You know what I mean? Everything, your studio and all that technology done took it to a level where it's more of an independent game. The thing is, just keep your grind going and make your whole band or your a brand, and then make the move. You gotta have a movement with it. So once you get your people together and everybody moving in one direction, it's easier to get there. You know what I mean? No one man want to walk ever.
He make tons of money or no money at all. If he fresh and I like his lyrics, I feel like when he turn the right corner at the right time, he gonna run into the right person to be where he wanna be. Just like myself. People think the same, seem to think, not think to seem to think that I'm more than I am. I'm just an MC that been doing it for the longest. I'm an underdog. Niggas don't really, a lot of people don't really know me. I don't give a fuck. I just trying to do the thing. I'm trying to live my life besides music. I love rap and hip hop, and I'ma always do it just cause that's how I feel. But you know what I'm saying, I still got other things to accomplish in this world, and that's what other rappers need to realize. Let's do this shit for life. Let's try to make it our livelihood. But if it's not your livelihood and you're not making no money, feel free to make money somewhere else and spend that money that you're making from somewhere else on yourself. Don't just expect not to make no money and blow. No, you can't. Get your own, do your numbers, spend your money on you. I don't give a fuck where you gotta work at. Get that $200 a week. Hey, it don't cost $200 for CDs, nigga. This shit costs thousands of dollars if you're doing it big. And if you're really trying to do it big, you're gonna spend $1,000 on yourself, cause it costs thousands of dollars to do it big. Nobody's getting big off $100 doing 3 hours in the studio, trying to spend $20, trying to get cool with the nigga that own the studio so they can get the studio time for cheap. The nigga gonna start shooting you to the left. If you really believe in yourself, spend the money.